How to apply for Revolut credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can apply for Revolut credit card. You want to open up any web browser and head over to revolut.com. Then here it says get the app, so tap on this option, or you can directly head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Revolut. Now tap on the install option. Once you have downloaded the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, not all countries offer Revolut credit cards, so ensure that the feature is available in your country by navigating to the cards section. Now, if credit cards are available in your region, you will see an option to apply for one. Then you want to follow the instructions, which includes filling in personal information, employment details, and providing consent for the credit check. Then Revolut will access your application and run a credit check. The approval process can take anywhere from few minutes to few days depending on your region. Once approved, you will receive your card by mail. You can activate it by following the instructions in the app, usually by entering the card details or tapping the card on your phone if NFC is supported. And in this way you can easily apply for Revolut credit card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.